Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today we're doing a soup price comparison. So normally I do a recipe, I'm doing the recipe, but we're also comparing it with the price of a tin of soup. So the ingredients I have for my soup are chicken fillet, potato, onion, salt, pepper, flour, stock cube, herbs, garlic powder and vegetables. Start by heating stock in a pan. While the stock's coming up to a boil, chop some onion, and that can go straight into the stock. Take about 3 potatoes, peel them, dice a potato finely. Again, that can go straight in the pot. I've used approximately half a chicken fillet, and what I like to do with it is finely snip it. I don't use a knife, I find using a pair of scissors easier. And I just like really thin slices of chicken. You could use other meat, you could use a little bit of lamb, mince, even just a little bit of steak if you have some. Just keep it fine. Again, that can just go straight in the pot, doesn't need any pre-cooking. Gives a good stir. Add some pepper, salt. I'm adding a little bit of garlic powder and herbs. You can use what you have in your house if you've got chili powder, paprika, whatever you like. You could also add a little bit of tomato puree or a tin of tomatoes if you have one. It's whatever you like in your soup. This is a great recipe. To the stock, add half a bag of mixed veg. This I got yesterday for 70p. You only need half a bag, so it's 35p. And if you like your soup a little bit thicker, take some flour, add to water, make sure there's no lumps, add to the stock and give it a good stir. Bring to the boil. Once it's boiling, turn it down to simmer for about 15 minutes. Alternatively, place all the ingredients in the slow cooker and cook on high for about 5 to 6 hours or low 7 to 8 hours. Again, this is great, you can turn it on and forget about it. Go about your day and you come home to a nice warm soup. A tin of chunky soup in the supermarket will cost between £1 and £2. I have made this entire about 3 litres of soup for less than £2. The saving is amazing and it tastes good too.